Hey, what is up, everybody? My name is Rahul, and welcome to the Tryhackme Subscription series, where I bring you write-ups through those rooms that are behind the subscription wall of Tryhackme. So let's begin. So this room is about the server-side request forgery attack, and let's see how we can exploit it. Now, our motive is to look at the private directory contents, which, as you can see, it says you cannot access this page from your IP address. Now there are a couple of things that you can try to do in this kind of scenario. First of all, what you can try to do is you can let me just show it to you first. So if I were to refresh this page, you can see that it says that you cannot access this page from your IP address. So there are a couple of things that you can try to do, and based on the hardening, you might be able to bypass this. One of the things that you can try to do is change the host header to 127.0.0.1 or the specified IP address through which it can be accessed. Now there are a couple of things as well. For example, the administrator might have set up, or the developer might have set up, a unique header that might be required in order for you to enter this endpoint. So we can't say for sure, but here we have a workaround. So let's just see what happens when I try to upload my avatar. So for example, let me choose this one. Now here you will see that I have selected the last one, and you'll see that the style, it says background image, and it has an URL of assets avatar 6, which is the same value which is here. So if I were to click on the update avatar button, you will see that a request is generated, which is a post request. That is what we want. So you'll see that here is the request, and the data is assets avatar 6.png. And when I were to go to this, which was selected by me, you will see that this is the data that is being fetched to us, and the data is in the form of base64 URL encoded. So what I'll be doing here is, let me just choose an avatar again, and instead of this, let me just mention a value of private. So if I were to mention the value of private and select this, because this is what I've mentioned as private, I'll click on avatar, and as you'll see here, again this is a post request, and this time what it got sent was private. Here you'll see that it says URL cannot start with private. So we have successfully, you know, generated a server side request attack, but it says you cannot our request cannot begin from private. So what we can do is x slash dot dot slash private. This will ensure that our value doesn't contain or begin with private. So our avatar got updated, and if I were to click on this one, and you will see that we have a base64 encoded string. If I were to copy this, and you'll see here that here I have echoed it out, and base64 decoded it. You'll see that this is the flag that we get. So thank you guys, this is it for the video. I hope it was of some help to you.